Hi, so this is my juice, which is coconut, pineapple, pear, pomegranate, and jicama, which is sengkuang, and lemon. I put some lemon in as well. So I ended up making 1.2 liters. Each glass is 400 ml. Oh, I also put a bottle of Vitagen LB as well, which is the natural flavorless probiotic by Vitagen. 125 ml. So this glass is 400 ml. So this is my third glass. It oxidizes quite quickly, so it's turning, I don't know what the color is, more like a grayish brown. Beige actually. I'd expected it to be more pinkish or red, but it didn't turn out that way. So obviously the pomegranate doesn't have much of a red color. Well, maybe it's sort of a reddish gray. The taste, for people who are used to sweet things, you know, they think it's insipid, but it's sweet enough for me. There's no dominant taste. I can't taste the pineapple or the pear or the coconut. There's some chewy bits as usual. Some of the lemon rind didn't get completely dissolved. So they're nice, they're kind of chewy. If I didn't tell you what they were, you'd probably think they were raisins. There's some bits of seed. Maybe it's flaxseed. Yeah, I put oil seeds as well. My usual 1 teaspoon each of sesame seed. Well, I put 2 teaspoons of flaxseed today. Watermelon seed, pumpkin seed. No almonds today. Hemp seed. Yep. And you know, the young coconut flesh is also, I consider that an oil seed because you make coconut oil from coconuts. So it has a nice creamy texture. I forgot to put lecithin in, otherwise that would make it even more smoother. Putting chia seeds would make it even thicker, but it's thick enough as it is, so it's good I omitted the chia seeds. Yep, it tastes okay, but nothing great, nothing like super delicious or whatever. No dominant taste, as I said. Nicely balanced. It's not sour from the lemon. It's sweet enough for me, but some people may complain that it's not sweet enough for them. Yeah, that's about it.